To create a Revolut account in Pakistan, start by downloading the Revolut app from the Google Play Store or Apple App Store. Once the app is installed, open it and click on Sign Up. You will be asked to provide your phone number. So enter your Pakistani phone number and click Next. Revolut will send a verification code to your phone. Enter this code to verify your phone number. After verification, you will be asked to provide some personal details, including your name, email address, and date of birth. Make sure to enter accurate information as it will be used for verification purposes. Next, you will be asked to choose your account type, either personal or business. For individuals, select the personal account option. You will then be required to provide identification documents, such as a valid Pakistani CNIC or passport. Take a clear photo of your document and upload it to the app. After uploading your identification document, you will need to take a selfie to verify your identity. Make sure the photo is clear and well lit. Once you have completed these steps, review the terms and conditions and click Agree to proceed. Revolut will then review your application, which may take a few minutes. If your application is approved, you will be able to access your new Revolut account and start using its features. You can add money to your account using various payment methods, including credit or debit cards, and start making transactions. It is essential to note that Revolut has partnered with a Pakistani bank to offer its services in the country, so you can be assured that your account is secure and regulated. Additionally, Revolut offers a range of benefits, including real-time exchange rates, low fees, and budgeting tools, making it a great option for individuals who want to manage their finances efficiently. By following these steps, you can easily create a Revolut account in Pakistan and start enjoying the benefits of a digital banking platform. Remember to always keep your account information secure and monitor your transactions regularly to avoid any potential issues.